Hello, my name is Justus Schienemann and I'm an employee of the NRW.BANK. The NRW.BANK is the regional development bank for North Rhine-Westphalia, and by that we're the biggest regional development bank in Germany. Our main task is to support our owner, the state of North Rhine-Westphalia, in completion of its structural and economic policy task. This means we offer promotion services for the regional economy, including startups, foster the development of affordable living space, and support municipalities and infrastructure projects. Just to give you a rough idea about our activities in 2019, our total funding volume was around 10 billion euros. We do that independently of the state's budget by financing ourselves on the capital market. But to summarize, our main mission is to create an impact for North Rhine-Westphalia. In general, we have a broad range of funding instruments. We offer interest-subsidized promotion loans without any sector limitations that cover a lot of different business activities. These loans can also be used by startups once they start to generate first revenues and profits. Just to give you an idea, we have specialized programs that are focused on the development of innovative and digital products that offer very attractive conditions besides a low interest rate. But the NRW.BANK also provides equity for startups, including venture capital. We also have one program that focuses on the cooperation of startups and business angels. The NRW.BANK CCAP offers a match for the investment undertaken by a business angel and can help to gain capital for your company. Within our portfolio, we also have the possibility to provide risk coverage and liability assumption that can have you on the way to find a suitable financing solution for your business. In addition, we offer a variety of advisory services that are generally speaking free of charge. For example, with regard to startups, we offer support to prepare financial negotiations with the bank by giving your financiers feedback on their business plan. And we provide information on public financing opportunities outside our own portfolio. This could be federal or European grants. As we share borders with the Netherlands and Belgium, the European funding program Interreg, that focuses on cross-border cooperation, presents a good opportunity for startups to develop their products and get international contacts. With regard to NRW, we are not responsible for those programs, but we can get you into contact with the agencies that are in charge. Another example how we support startups is our trinational cooperation with regional development agencies from the Netherlands and Belgium. One of our main focuses is to foster the regional startup environment. For example, together with 3 regional incubators, we developed an exchange program for startups, where the participants can get a look and feel for a new market and access to new cooperation and clients. Just get into contact with us. That could either be by phone or mail. And hopefully one day in the near future, you will be able to find us at the various business events in North Rhine-Westphalia. We have a big network of stakeholders and multipliers and try to be as visible as possible. With regard to our own promotional loans, you can get a lot of advice from the various commercial and saving banks in North Rhine-Westphalia. We closely cooperate with all of them, and together we can have a look for the right program at the right moment of time. But of course, we also link to the various incubators and startup networks in North Rhine-Westphalia, like the DigiHubs, who can get you into contact with us. Yes, indeed. Like I said earlier, our main task is to create an impact for North Rhine-Westphalia. That means your business should be located here in order to profit from our programs. That does not mean that your sole representation needs to be in North Rhine-Westphalia, but at least it should be visible that you have your own business activities here. This could be a research facility, a distribution or service office, or probably a lot of other possibilities I just cannot think of at the moment. But of course, we would be happy to welcome you and your main business activities here in North Rhine-Westphalia. The Enterprise Europe Network, or the EN as we call it, is the world's largest business support network and is co-financed by the European Union. Together with 2 partners from North Rhine-Westphalia, we are a member in the EN and offer a variety of support activities for SMEs, start and scale-ups. This includes, for example, the development of new products and technologies, information with regard to access to finance and new markets. But most importantly, the EN has a range of services to find new B2B and research partners, either abroad or in Germany. The EN has a lot to offer for young companies, and its services are also free of charge. So please do not hesitate to contact us here, or if you're not located in Germany yet, then you can also reach out for your local EN partner. Yes, of course. First of all, we closely work together with NRW Invest, the incoming agency for North Rhine-Westphalia, who can provide support to sell your business here. But also, our work within the EN gets us into contact with a lot of businesses that have an interest in coming to North Rhine-Westphalia. Generally speaking, we work with a no wrong door approach. That means if we don't have the right answer or services for you, we use our broad network in order to find the best match to help you. Of course, you will find us on the web, so you can either visit www.nrw.bank.de or you look out for one of our social media channels. Also, the information about the EN, you can either visit www.nrw.europa.de or if, for example, you follow our Twitter channel NRW Europa. And most of my co-workers, including me, we use LinkedIn, so please feel free to just contact us. Thank you very much.